Hello, welcome back to my channel, DLTV. If you are new, nice to meet you. My name is Anaya. If you're not new, thank you for clicking by with me, right now. I truly appreciate the support. As you guys read the title, I'll be doing lipstick swatch. So as you guys know, this is something a little bit different on my channel, and I have never ever done a video like this before. So I'm pretty excited to film this, and I thought it would be like a pretty good idea because I know you guys like a lot of my beauty videos. So basically what I'll be doing in this video is that I'll be swatching like different lipsticks. I have brought a good 6 lipsticks from the drugstore Target, so that's what I'll be basically doing in the video, to see like which ones do I like the most or which ones do I like least like the most, and like to also put you guys on to like some good lipsticks because I know a lot of you guys out there love lipstick and also y'all love lip gloss. So I thought this would just be a pretty good video idea to put you guys on to some of the stuff. To find a link to some of these lipsticks, I'll make sure I put them all in the description down below. So what I got is that I have got 6 different lipsticks and I want to try it out on camera. I won't be talking during this video. I'll just be showing you guys me swatching my lipsticks just to see like how it looks on my skin tone, or like will it look different or other different types of skin tones. So I'm very excited to film this video. I'm really not going to talk that much. It's basically what I'll be doing in this video. I'll just be swatching lipsticks, and then I'll also give you guys my full review at the end of this video because this is like my very first time trying each and every one of these lipsticks. So I wanted to like try it on. So I have about a good 6 of them. I didn't want to do a lot. I just wanted to do a couple, so I wouldn't waste my money on a lot of lipstick just in case I didn't like none of them. So here is all 6 of it. I will show you guys the name of it, also the color that I'll be putting on. So here it is, and also I have like 2 extra ones that I want to show you guys just in case you might like it or something. So here is all 6 of them, and I'm about to try it on right now. So without further ado, let's get this video started because I'm really excited. So if you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications, join the game for 2021. And if you're interested in seeing what my life is outside of YouTube, make sure you follow all my social medias down in the description down below, and also it'll be somewhere right here. And let's get the video started. that was the end of my lipstick swatches, and now I'm about to give you guys a full review. To be honest, I honestly did not know this video was going to be a success all the way. I absolutely love each and every one of these Maybelline lipsticks. Guys, this was a total success. I love it so much. So now I'm about to rate each and every one of them 1 through 10. I might like put each of the rates and like each of the clips that I had tried the lipsticks on. I thought it was gonna be like at least 1 or 2 that I wasn't gonna like, but I absolutely love these lipsticks so much. So the very first one that I tried in the very first clip, I will give this like a 9, but I really like this one so much. It did fit my skin tone so much. So this one I absolutely love. I think I basically give all of them a 10, but this one is most definitely a 9. Another reason why I like all these lipsticks that I tried on is because it is very easy to wipe off when you use a wipe. So I definitely like that like so much. Second one that I tried on, I will give this one a 10. I like this so much. The third one, I'll also give it a 10, but I'll actually, if I can rate it more than a 10, I would, because this gives off like a little like glittery effect. So I really love this one so much. I will be wearing this a lot more often, but this one is like very pretty. I'll show you guys this again, but it do give off most definitely like a glitter effect, or like, you know, like a more glamorous look. So I most definitely will be wearing this more because it does make me like very cute. The fourth one, like I said, a 10 as well. Here is how it looks, kind of like a pink purplish color, but I love this so much as well. I just love each and every one of these. Fifth one, I'll give this red one like a 7 because this one is a little bit messy. The other ones was like very easy to put on, but I had to like constantly cut the corners. I already had the red lipstick before. I just wanted to try it out for this video so you guys can see it, but I have wore this before, but I will give it a 7 because it is like very messy. But the other ones was like very easy to put on, but this one was like kind of hard to put on, and then it was kind of hard to like take off. So this is a 7, but it's still like good, and I still highly recommend it. I love red lipstick, and I also like purple lipstick, but like my most favorite lipstick is red. So this is a 7. And then for the very last one, I will give this a 10. And you guys, this was like an honest shock because I never tried like a brown type of lipstick, and this one came out so perfect. I love it so much. As you guys can tell by my facial expressions, I love this one like a whole lot. So I'll give this like 100% if I could, but this is most definitely a 10. So I'll say like my favorite ones is the brown one, and then also the third one that I tried on, the one that I said gives a glamorous effect. I will give those like more than a 10 because I love those so much. But after all, I do love each and every one of them. I will not throw none of them away, or I will not give it to nobody else because I love it so much. I most definitely will be wearing these like in the future when I go out to somewhere like good or like somewhere fancy. But I really love this so much. And the last two that I showed you guys, the only one that I liked was the first one. I never like really liked the second, because with those lipsticks, I brought that like about a few weeks ago because I wanted to wear one of them for my birthday. I feel like it's a little bit too bright for me for my skin tone. This one, it does look good on me, but they are both like messy to put on and also take off. I think these are like a little bit different than these 6 of these lipsticks. So yes, I will give this like a 5. I'll give this to like somebody else. And this one, I'll give like an 8 because it's still like kind of messy. I really don't like messy lipsticks because it takes a lot of work to like put it on and then also take it off, because you gotta make sure it's not like on your teeth or also like on the corners. And then that's another thing, when I took this off, it did get on my teeth a lot, but these did not get on my teeth at all. So that's why I like it so much. I do like lipsticks that like stay intact. So to be honest, this video was a complete success. I love each and every one of them. I will wear it in the future. Like I told you guys, I'll make sure I try my best to find each and every one of the links to these lipsticks so I can put it in the description down below. They're all from Target, like I had mentioned in the beginning of this video, and they are also all by Maybelline. Maybelline is like hitting right now. They winning because their lipsticks is so good. I love it so much. So that completes the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this so much, and make sure you comment down below which one was your favorite on me, or which one would you think you would wear. Guys, that concludes the end of this video. Make sure you guys also comment down below if you want me to do more beauty videos like this, that's including like lipstick and also lip glosses. And that was basically it for the video. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications, join the game for 2021. Also, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and also comment down below to show your support. And that was basically it, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.